past the corner where we used to meet. The cold wind blowing, but my heart skipped a beat. I saw your shadow in the window of that old cafe. Funny how a memory can hit you that way. And I don't know why it still feels new. Every February brings me back to you. 'Cause you're my Valentine in the rain, a little bit of sunshine in the pain. Even when the sky turns gray, your love still finds a way. No roses, no champagne, just you and me, hearts untamed. Yeah, you're my Valentine in the rain. Hey, yeah, we were laughing at the puddles like a couple of fools. Dancing through the downpour, breaking all the rules. You said love's not perfect, it's a beautiful mess, but I choose your chaos over all the rest. And every drop that falls reminds me still, love's a storm, but baby, what a thrill. 'Cause you're my Valentine in the rain, a little bit of sunshine in the pain. Even when the sky turns gray, your love still finds a way. No roses, no champagne, just you and me, hearts untamed. Yeah, you're my Valentine in the rain. Maybe love is meant to soak you through, wash away the past and lead you somewhere new. If every storm just brings me back to you, then let it pour, I'll see you through. You're my Valentine in the rain, every heartbeat calling out your name. Even when the world feels strange, your love stays the same. No roses, no champagne, just you and me, hearts